Yes, hi.
Welcome to Aiden's Adventure, and we are on Snoring 3 Treasure
Island.
Treasure Island, and this set is cartoon, not like the other ones. So I hope you don't laugh on it. This time they say different things. We need the elephant to find the lost treasure. Let's wake him up. Click on me and I will knock the piggy into the I don't know. Bump the giraffes to tip them over like bowling pins. And same thing, don't worry about any animals falling. You just need to wake up the elephant. Now here's a different thing from the other animals in the other one. Another animal can knock me down by hitting my sides. And sometimes they're even coins. Collect coins to open bonus levels. You always say noises, that's annoying, right? Same thing, you also can move the zebras. You saw what you heard that? It wasn't even special. It was just a score. Hiss. Helps the human jump. That was kind of weird, right? Now Eden saw bouncy chameleons catch coins before they disappear. See those red stuff around it? And there's a timer after you're starting. And you try to get many coins as possible. Here comes the next one, and this is just here comes your favorite character again, the snake. We'll move when you click again to stop my roll. See what happens if we do it too early? You're never going to get them. This time changing when it laughs, when you turn him to circle, and turns square when it says moo when it's normal. Very interesting, right? This time there's 2 owls and you don't know what they're for, so I'll show you. One is one to get the other side, and the other one's going for something else. The penguins will roll will spin when they're pushed.
2 more stages, okay?
Why?
Okay, 2 more stages after this.
Here comes your favorite 2 guys. Do you know we just crashed into the elephant?
Okay, say goodbye and we'll...
Bye. Sorry it was short, but you can't wait for another long adventure. You don't know. See you next time. Bye. and see you at the next video.